Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we are here with the best topic of 10 best foot bath massager with buying guides and reviews. Foot bath massager provide convenience and ease of use, eliminating the need for spa visit by offering professional quality foot care at home. Not only is using one cost effective, but it is also save time and money, making it a convenient choice. Finding your ideal foot bath massager, selecting an effective foot bath massager can dramatically enhance your relaxing experience from relieving foot pain to pampering yourself or expanding your home spa experience. There is a selection of highly recommended massagers, each with specific features to meet individual needs. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Kindle All-in-One Foot Spa Bath Massager with Heat Digital Temperature Control O2 Bubbles and Timber FBD18. Features warm temperature, enhanced relaxation and comfort, enhances blood circulation, provide an exceptional at-home spa experience, provide soothing massage with vibrating and heating functions, include acupressure notes for targeting specific pressure point on feet. Number 2, 2023.8 upgrade collapsible foot spa electric rotary massage foot bath with heat bubble remote. Features user can focus and relaxation without struggling with complicated setting. Offer multiple massage options for comprehensive care, granting a worthwhile investment for foot care. Enthusiast provides soothing massage to tired feet, promoting relaxation and comfort. Number 3, Homedics Bubbles made foot spa to touch control foot bath with invigorating bubbles and splash proof. Feature relieves tired feet with soothing bubbles and massage notes. Provide relaxation after a long day's work. Easy to use with simple control for temperature and bubbles. Compact design make it convenient for storage and travel. Accessible and budget friendly. Number 4, Conier Soothing Pedicure Foot Spa Bath with the Soothing Vibration Massage Deep Basin Relaxation Foot Massager with Jets. Features provide a delightful calming sensation, enhancing overall relaxation. Soothing heat help relax muscles, reduce stiffness and improve flexibility. Help relieve plantar facilities, heal pain and other foot issues. Splash guard enhance to the overall convenience of the foot bath. Number 5, Conier Pedicure Foot Spa Bath with Heat, reaching 104 degrees, massaging foot rollers, soothing bubbles, pomaic stone and nail brush included. Features user can explore and pamper their feet effortlessly, enhance relaxation, making each foot bath sessions more enjoyable, easy to use, and secure, making the foot bath massager versatile for comprehensive foot care, offer relaxation and relief from foot pain and discomfort. Number 6, foot spa foot bath massager with tea tree oil, foot soak with Epsom salt with heat bubbles and vibrations. Features relax tired feet, easing tension and promoting circulation. Tea tree oil offer antibacterial and antifungal benefits. Epsom salt help reduce swelling and soothe sore muscles. A convenient home spa treatment for overall foot health and maintenance. Number 7, foot spa Foot bath massager with heat bubbles, vibration, red light, collapsible pedicure foot soaker, W remote control. Features relieves stress and tension in feet, promoting relaxation and comfort. Soothe sore muscles with customizing a heat setting for added relief. Improve blood circulation, adding in overall foot health and wellness. Compact design with make it easy to store and transport conveniently. Number 8, Homedics Sisto Bliss foot bath with heat boost foot spa massager, deep kneading pedicure tub. Features come with removable massage roller for customizable foot therapy. Feature easy to use control for adjusting massage intensity and heat. User friendly even for those unfamiliar with similar device. It provides gentle, refreshing bubble that soothes tired feet and enhance the massage experience. Number 9, Conair Waterfall Pedicure Foot Spa Bath with the blue LED light, massaging bubbles and massaging rollers blue white. Features waterfall effect, gently massage the top of your feet, providing a relaxing experience. The ergonomic design make the Conair Foot Bath user friendly and practical. These tools help you maintain smooth and healthy feet. The heat functions maintains a consistent warm temperature. Number 10, Homedics showers, Bliss Foot Spa, shower massage, water jet, pedicure center with free attachment to touch control FB6 to 5H. Features provide a soothing massage for tired feet after a long day, include heat maintenance to keep the water warm during use. Features multiple water jets for a relaxing spa-like experience. Compacted design make it easy to store when not in use. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our officially website www.bestpurchasepro.com/footbathmassager/. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Thanks for watching.